Technical calculation of bullish probability of the main altcoins and most promising categories. Today, October 1st, real-world assets.
I am not a financial advisor and nothing you see in this video should be considered investment advice.
We will first analyze the top 40 altcoins with the highest market cap in the category, and then we will do a second analysis of low-cap altcoins, with less than 15 million market cap. Let's go with the first one. This analysis provides a quantitative and objective score for the bullish potential of each altcoin, specifically tailored for short-term swing trading over the next few days. I typically hold my trades for 3 to 10 days, and this is the time frame I focus on in my analysis. We've analyzed the relative performance of these altcoins over the past 30 days, using a base 100 for comparison. The top 16 of the 40 altcoins are displayed on screen. The central bar, orange, is the market cap. The blue bar is popularity, calculated based on sources such as Google Crux. And the green bar is the volume, taking the 30-day daily moving average. To the right, you can see the aggregated trend of these 40 altcoins for these three factors. Crypto analysts usually concentrate exclusively on market capitalization or price. However, volume and popularity are two crucial factors that should also be considered. We also have the fear and greed indicator of the crypto market, which we currently have with 50 points, in a state neutral. These indicators, correctly valued in each case together with the market cap, will give us a more accurate and realistic calculation. Let's see now what the global trend is for the category, and then we will see which are the altcoins with the best projection right now. At this time, the immediate short-term bullish potential, or probability, for the real-world assets category is moderate, with a valuation of 59.78 points out of 100. And on an individual level, this is the valuation calculated for each of the altcoins. We see them classified in order and by color, based on their immediate short-term bullish potential. New altcoins have entered this ranking, such as CreedFi, which enters directly into position 5. The altcoin that has risen the most positions is PropChain, which has risen 28 positions to position 7. Given the complete list, let's see the top 3 best rated. In third place we have Opulous, with a high short-term bullish potential, with 87.7 points. In second place we have Parcl, with a very high short-term bullish potential, with 92.84 points. And finally, in first place we have Brickken, with a very high short-term bullish potential, with 93.08 points. And these are the overall results for the category, but what if we focus only on the low-cap altcoins, whose potential volatility is much higher? Let's see it. Top 30 altcoins with less than 15 million market cap of the real-world assets category. On the screen we see the comparative evolution, based on 100, of the first 16 of these 30 altcoins in each of the last 30 days. As in the global analysis, the central bar is the market cap, the blue bar is popularity, and the green bar is the volume. And to the right you can see the aggregated trend of these 30 altcoins for each of these three factors. Obviously, in these altcoins of such low capitalization we see a very high volatility in market cap and volume, and, therefore, this means that their immediate growth potential, both bullish and bearish, can be several multiples higher than that of the top global altcoins with much higher market caps. That said, as always, let me remind you that the risk with this type of altcoin is much higher and must be managed very responsibly. We can see that the best performing altcoin in terms of nominal return per market cap has been Florence Finance Medici with a 113.4% change in the last 30 days, followed by MetaZero with 73.93% and Etherland with 70.18%. But is their short-term growth projection really the best if we take into account their trendline, volume, popularity and market sentiment? Let's see it. At this time, the aggregated bullish, or probability, potential for these low-cap altcoins in the short term of the real-world assets category is moderate, with a valuation of 56.19 points out of 100. On an individual level, this is the calculated valuation for each of the altcoins. New altcoins have entered this ranking, such as MetaZero, which enters directly into position 7. The altcoin that has risen the most positions is Carnomaly, which has risen 18 positions to position 4. And it is worth mentioning altcoins such as Brickken, CreedFi and Lex, which no longer appear in this ranking due to exceeding the 15 million market cap. Given the complete list, let's see the top 3 best rated. In third place we have TRVL, with a short-term bullish potential of high, with 82.36 points. In second place we have Blocksquare, with a short-term bullish potential of high, with 83.93 points. And finally, in first place we have UBXS, with a short-term bullish potential of high, with 84.91 points. And these are the results for the low-cap altcoins in the real-world assets category. As I always say, no one knows if a crypto will 100x or go to zero in the future, but we do have data and objective analysis as a benchmark. Don't forget to subscribe to stay ahead of the next trend changes and not miss out on future opportunities in this market. And also give me a like to support this little channel. Thank you for your support, and don't miss the next analysis.